Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we bring you expert insights to help you succeed in modern agriculture. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, today's video is crucial if you're looking to raise healthy, productive turkeys. We're diving into the top 5 mistakes to avoid in turkey farming. Avoiding these common pitfalls can make all the difference in your flock's growth, health, and profitability. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1, ignoring proper housing conditions. The environment you provide for your turkeys plays a vital role in their overall health and productivity. Turkeys are particularly sensitive to temperature fluctuations, humidity, and ventilation. Overcrowded or poorly ventilated housing can lead to rapid disease spread and increased stress among the birds. Many beginners underestimate the importance of space. Each turkey requires adequate room to move, feed, and rest. Crowding leads to aggression, feather pecking, and even injuries. Ensure your turkey housing is spacious, well ventilated, and protected from the elements. Use dry bedding and clean out the area frequently to prevent the buildup of ammonia, which can irritate their respiratory systems. Investing in quality housing is an investment in the health and growth of your flock. Mistake number 2. Poor nutrition and improper feeding. Nutrition is the backbone of healthy turkey farming. Turkeys are not chickens. They have different nutritional requirements, especially during their rapid growth phases. Feeding them generic poultry feeds or relying too heavily on scraps can result in stunted growth, weak immune systems, and poor egg production. Your turkeys need a balanced diet containing the right levels of protein, vitamins, minerals, and energy. Young poults require higher protein content, while mature turkeys benefit from feeds formulated for their specific stage of life. Also, access to clean water is absolutely essential. Dehydration leads to a host of health issues and can quickly diminish your flock's productivity. Work with a local agricultural extension or feed specialist to ensure your birds are getting the best nutrition possible. Monitor feed intake and adjust as needed, based on their age and activity levels. Mistake number 3, neglecting biosecurity and disease prevention. Poultry diseases can be devastating, and turkeys are susceptible to several viral, bacterial, and parasitic infections. One of the biggest mistakes farmers make is failing to implement strict biosecurity measures. Allowing visitors into your turkey housing, mixing new birds with the existing flock too quickly, or failing to disinfect equipment can introduce pathogens and lead to outbreaks. Always quarantine new birds for at least 2 weeks before integrating them with your flock. Limit access to your housing area and provide disinfectant foot baths at entry points. Regularly monitor your turkeys for signs of illness, such as lethargy, abnormal droppings, or changes in eating habits. Early detection and swift response can prevent disease from spreading. Consult a veterinarian for regular health checks and vaccinations where necessary. Mistake number 4, not paying attention to breed selection and sourcing. The breed of turkey you choose has a major impact on your farming goals, whether you're raising turkeys for meat, eggs, or ornamental purposes. Some farmers make the mistake of buying birds without researching their characteristics and suitability for the local climate and market demands. For meat production, broad-breasted varieties are popular due to their fast growth and large size, but they may be less hardy and require more intensive care. Heritage breeds, on the other hand, are more resilient and can thrive in free-range systems. Always source your poults from reputable hatcheries that guarantee disease-free stock and provide information on breed specifics. Choosing the right breed and supplier sets the foundation for a successful operation and minimizes unforeseen challenges down the line. Mistake number 5, overlooking record keeping and farm management. Efficient turkey farming is not just about tending to the birds each day. It's about managing your operation with precision and foresight. Many small-scale farmers skip record keeping, thinking it's only necessary for large commercial operations. This is a costly mistake. Tracking feed consumption, growth rates, vaccination schedules, and mortality rates gives you valuable insights into your farm's performance. These records help you identify problems early, optimize feed and resource use, and plan for future expansion. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or farm management app to log daily activities. Review your records regularly to spot trends or areas needing improvement. Good management practices not only boost your farm's productivity, but also attract potential investors and buyers who value transparency. Let's recap the top 5 mistakes to avoid in turkey farming. First, always provide proper housing with good ventilation and ample space. Second, prioritize turkey-specific nutrition and ensure constant access to clean water. Third, implement strong biosecurity measures to prevent disease outbreaks. Fourth, carefully select the breed and source your birds from reputable suppliers. Fifth, maintain detailed records and manage your farm efficiently. By steering clear of these common errors, you'll create a healthier environment for your turkeys, ensure better productivity, and maximize your profits. Remember, successful turkey farming is a combination of knowledge, preparation, and daily attention to detail. For those looking to get started or scale up, here are a few bonus tips to keep your flock thriving. First, observe your birds daily. Healthy turkeys are active, alert, and have smooth, clean feathers. Any changes in behavior, appearance, or appetite should be investigated immediately. Second, invest in training for yourself and your staff. Understanding turkey behavior, handling, and welfare standards makes day-to-day tasks easier and safer. Third, network with other turkey farmers through local agriculture groups or online forums. Sharing experiences and solutions helps everyone in the community improve. Don't forget to keep an eye on market trends and consumer preferences. Organic, free-range, or specialty turkey products are in growing demand. Positioning your farm to meet these needs can open up new opportunities and increase your income. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on poultry farming, livestock management, and sustainable agriculture. At SMART-AGRI Hub, we're dedicated to sharing practical, actionable advice to help you achieve your farming goals. Are you ready to start or improve your turkey farming journey? Avoiding these 5 mistakes will set you on the path to success. With the right knowledge, preparation, and care, you can create a thriving turkey farm that's both rewarding and profitable. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, agriculture is the backbone of our communities, and your commitment to smart, sustainable farming makes a real difference. For more tips, subscribe to SMART-AGRI Hub and enable notifications so you never miss an update. Leave your questions and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our community and supporting your growth. Happy farming, and may your turkeys grow strong and healthy.